With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's read the question. When a sample of baking is strongly ignited in crucible, it is suffered a loss in weight of 3.1 gram. The mass of baking soda is. So the equation of reaction is 2 NaHCO3 heated to give Na2CO3 plus CO2 which escapes and H2O. So we can infer from here that 2 moles of NaHCO3 gives 1 mole of CO2. We can also write it as 2 into 84 moles of NaHCO3 gives 1 into 44 moles of CO2. Okay. Since we need to find out this weight loss of in 3.1 gram. So X will give 3.1 gram. On cross multiplying it, we can get our desired answer. That is X is equals to 3.1 into 2 into 84 upon 44. Okay, so on calculating this, we will get the value of X as 11.83 grams. And this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.